literally was about to do a nice video with nice shirt and everything, but then I remembered I don't edit like that. I edit with my wretched ass hair everywhere, my PJs, and just no makeup with a cup of fucking water or whatever type of drink that I had that day. Literally, this is how I literally, my natural habitat to edit videos. And I edit videos at 2 o'clock in the morning. Notice the bags under my eyes? Exactly.
Who are you in the dark? Show me the scary parts. Who are you when it's 3 a.m. and you're all alone and LA doesn't feel like home?
Hey guys, your girl Real Jules here today, and today we're gonna do a video basically on how I edit my videos. Just like how I edit my videos. I'm gonna teach you what not to do, music, clips, how I do it, all this craziness, because I have been getting a lot of DMs on how I like edit my videos. So I said, why not do a video on it, you know, because, you know, we that type of bitch. We like to help each other in this shit. So I'm just gonna teach you. Why am I doing all of this? Okay, I'm just gonna teach you how to do it. Okay, the number one thing that I get a lot is basically for like when I edit videos is, where did I get the music? How did you get a non-copyrighted music? How did you do this? How do you do that? Okay, so music. You need royalty-free music. So the beats that I use are Epidemic Sounds. Epidemic Sounds basically has beats and music that are royalty-free. You can download it for free. Well, it's actually $15 a month, but you get a 30-day trial free. So you can download any music you want. Like for that whole entire 30-day fee, I suggest you just go through all the music that you want, so you won't have to go back to it. You know, that's my idea, but basically that's what I do. I pay $15 a month for literally the whole entire thing. I download the music, royalty-free, beats, and music with words in it. It's just not beats. Another thing that I use is SoundCloud. Now, SoundCloud does have copyrighted music, but my advice to you is just to basically message the person, email them, Twitter, Instagram them, ask them for permission for you to use their music. Just like, hey, can I use your music? I'll put your name, your link in the description of my video. You can even check it out, you know. Ask for permission, because if you did not ask for permission, YouTube is going to know that you used a copyrighted music. So my advice, always be polite, always, you know, try to support each other. So don't just grab the music and then pretend like you didn't know it was that person when you damn well know it was. So for effects, a lot of people's been asking me for like my intro effects, the little box, and then I'll put like a little clip so y'all can see which one I'm talking about. What I really did was literally go to YouTube green screens, and I think some of them, well, the one that I used, she gave me permission to use her green screens, and in her video she said you can also use the green screens. So I used the green screen from YouTube. I downloaded it from net, or you can go grab a clip, download it, and use it to your video. But I'm gonna switch a little bit and use, you know, to teach you guys how to do that in a minute. Okay, so this is the Final Cut Pro. This is where I edit everything. Everything looks confusing. I know, I get it. I'm gonna teach you the basics. So basically, to get a new project, all I do is hit the file. Project will be right up here, and then we'll have the event and the library. So everything that you need, like to trim, to mark, clip, modify, even to do voiceovers, you go right over here, record voiceover, click it, it will appear right here, and you'll just record when you want to. Just big red button, simple, right? So now to literally for like downloading the clips, you can just go right here. This will pop up. Everything that you have, like your camera, will appear right here. That's what I basically do. And these are like the color. You can change the color of everything. This is basically the blend. If you want to blend two clips, like, ooh, let me put that down. So if you want to like put this together, basically what I did is the writing with this is a separate like clip, with the glitch is a separate clip, and that's one of my videos. That is, you know, the baddie makeup look, basically another clip. And once you do that, you just literally put add opacity, how much you want it to be, and then you have transition. All of this you will know basically from iMovie. If you don't know none of this, I recommend, like I said, to go to iMovie, because then you will know nothing, because then you have the sounds. I'm still learning about the sounds. You know, I just, you know, realized you can noise removal from the background, humming removal from the background, loudness removal from the background. I just learned that recently. Yeah. I will literally go on YouTube and I will put the green screen effect, whatever you want, just put green screen effects, and you have different ones. What I will do is I will just click on this, take the link to the page, and I will literally grab it and go to my thing. Where is it? I literally lost it, and I'll just go to grab a clip. Literally, I will just go to grab a clip, post it there, right over here, and just paste, and it will tell me that, and I would just grab this clip. It would download, you'll save it, download very easy, and then after that it's all yours to do whatever you want with it. Okay, so we already dragged the green screen to our little platform right here on iMovie. We have one clip right here. So this is a clip that I have. What I will do is basically grab whatever, like, because there's different effects in one video, so I would just grab this right here, and I'll literally just like put it to the size that I want it to. So we're gonna do the volume down, and literally it will be like this. Now right here is basically your transitions. Right here is your effects. The effect that I use to like make the green screen disappear is, I think this is Keyer. So we're gonna drag Keyer to this right here, and it will make that happen. Oh, I forgot to put it. So you have Keyer on it, and all I do is go to the thing and I'll just add it. Why is it not adding? Oh wait, you gotta put it down a little bit. Put it down. And if you wanted, you can change the color. So use Keyer, change the color, and you got an effect. So basically this is your special right here, the special one, which is Keyer. You drag it to the green screen, then you'll go to effects, and if you want to change colors, you can change it. Go to make it a little bit brighter. If you want, you can make it fainter, brighter. Just make sure you put add so it could be on top of the clip. And I believe there you go. You got an effect, a very perfect effect. Why is this so bright as hell? So this is Epidemic Sounds. Basically all the music that you will ever need for your videos, royalty free. You can browse albums, whatever. They have like a bunch. Latin music, got you. They got Latin music right there. You can play this on your videos. You won't get copyrighted, okay? So literally it will pop right here, so you will always, you'll listen to it. If you like it, good. You just click download. Click save on download all. It'll download to your thing. Just make sure you just like the clip, and it will go to your music. There you go. and it's still playing on my thing. So you just go back, take it off, and there you go. Your music. I just want to point out this. If you're doing a video and you want to start editing, I recommend for people to use the simple editing softwares. Like if you have an Apple, just start with iMovie. Don't jump to Final Cut Pro because every damn YouTuber has Final Cut Pro and their editing is the bomb and shit. Recommend iMovie because you're gonna be hella confused if you don't know the simple stuff from editing softwares. Anything that's simple, learn from it, take a couple of months, figure out how to maneuver it, figure out what the certain stuff is, figure out what effects, transitions. Just figure out from the simple softwares and then move your way up to the Final Cut Pro, because a lot of people have been confused on hey, what's this, and I'm just did you use iMovie? Did you do a training to see to just train your brain to know what is what on the software? So start with the simple software. That's the number one thing you should be doing. So other stuff that you can use if you want to pay for stuff, if for effects, is Pixel. I think it's just Pixel effects, something like that. Just write Pixel, it will pop up. Literally, there's all the effects that you will need. $29.99 discounted, sometimes $40 for you to use for your Final Cut Pro. So you can use that because you'll probably will see some different effects in October because that's Halloween month. I love Halloween. I really do. But also there is for iMovie, there is effects for iMovie, but I mainly used to use the YouTube download thing that I just showed you guys to just edit my videos. So for the editing software, Final Cut Pro is $300. So if you don't really know someone that knows about that and knows how to put it in your computer, it's $300. iMovie, it's free on your computer, laptop, and also, where is it? It's also on your iPhones. Your iPhone provides you, literally I did a clip post. Literally provides you with an iMovie for free. So you can use your phone. Especially iPhones are a little bit more advanced right now. Use your iPhone. It's free. You can edit. Just edit on your iPhone if you don't have a freaking computer. Basically. Now a lot of people ask me how many hours, how many minutes do I edit videos. I'm very lazy and procrastinator sometimes, so it takes me 2 days. But if I'm not lazy or procrastinate that day, probably 30 minutes, 40 minutes, depending on how I want it. If it's the one that I just did, basically the the night routine, I literally took me a couple of minutes to edit those clips because I just wanted it shorter clips and stuff, but it was literally 30 to 40 minutes if I don't procrastinate. But I procrastinate a lot and I'm lazy, so yeah, it's 2 days. But yeah guys, this is how, the stuff that I edit my video with, how I edit my video, and it's really hot, so I want to end this video really quick because literally this ring light is making me burn. But yeah, if you have any questions, I'll put all the links to the music, SoundCloud, whatever you want in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out yourself. Phone, stop answering me. Okay, scratch that. But yeah, I'll put in the description below all the links so you can go check it out and start your, free royalty free music thing so you won't get banned from YouTube type of shit. So yeah, I see you guys next time. Don't forget to go to my Instagram, my Twitter, my Tumblr. I always respond to you guys on comments below, so you should comment below. What should you comment below? I'm just gonna make up a question up my ass. What? I'm not editing this piece out either. That shit is out the window. We raw and honest here. So, what's the question? Ooh, what is your favorite thing about the upcoming fall? Please don't say pumpkin spice latte, because I'm really tired of everybody saying, oh my god, I can't wait for pumpkin spice latte. I'm tired of it. Everything is pumpkin spice latte. Please tell me something else from fall, like literally. But guys, I see you next time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I follow people back. I'm not like these little freaking big YouTubers. I'm not even big, but okay. I'm not like these YouTubers that literally don't respond and don't follow people back, because I do. That's why I got 6,000 followers. Well, 6,000 people that I'm following, because I follow back. I'm that raw and on it, bitch. Why am I so aggressive? I don't know. But this is the longest ending ever. But yeah, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.